Good morning, you guys. It's your boy Alex from Media, and today I got a little special surprise. I'm actually gonna meet up with one of my buddies right now. He also has an Abarth, so I'll be showing you guys as we head to the spot, as we head to his friend's house. And in my last video, I spoke about wanting a different intake. So my friend's buddy is actually selling the one I want, and I'm actually heading over there to see him today. So I'm gonna buy the intake off of him. He's gonna be installing the intake for me, and also he's gonna be extracting the file my car has for this guy right here, this little check engine light. He's gonna be extracting the file. He's gonna send it off. They're gonna send it back with the correct file for the check engine light to go away and for it to be tuned. Yeah, that's what's gonna be done today. So, you know, that takes a couple of days for them to send back the file. So he told me that, you know, on my day off, you know, I could probably stop by. He'll just upload the file to the car, and that it should be good. So yeah, I'm pretty tired right now. It's kind of early. I'm really hyped for today. I'll show you guys his car when he comes by. He should be coming by soon. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. And I'm back, guys, and look who we have here. That's the second Abarth. That's my buddy's Abarth. But yeah, guys, we're about to head there right now. So I'll see you guys in a bit. What is up, you guys? So I'm finally back from meeting with this guy, my boy's friend. His name is Russ. Shout out to him. So he extracted the file off from my car, and he sent it off to a buddy of his who's gonna send him back the tune for the car, and it takes a couple of days. So he told me maybe by Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. Well, yeah, this Tuesday, Wednesday coming up. So he will text me Monday probably. I don't know when. He'll text me and he'll let me know. And I'm actually gonna pull up with my friend to his spot because he wants to see the tune. According to Russ, it's gonna be much louder and way better. The check engine light is gonna go away. So I'm really hyped for this. I met Russ. Russ is real cool. He's chill. He knows what he's doing. Smart man. And also, I got this. I'll show you guys. God, it's so hot today. So yeah, as you guys can see, I got a new intake from Russ. He had it there, and he sold it to me. It's installed and everything. I'm super hyped about that. It looks really good. The color, I was not expecting that gray color, and it really matches with the color for my car. So I'm really hyped about that. Today was a very great day. So I knocked out what I needed to do by having Russ extract the file for me, and now he's gonna send it off. They're gonna send it to him back to get the right tune for this car. Today was a very successful day. I am super stoked. I'm happy. I'm just really happy today, and I'm gonna be even happier on Wednesday, Tuesday or Wednesday, whichever day it is. I'm just really hyped. And yeah, let's see how it goes. I got future mods coming up as well. I was speaking to him about what I should do next, and we have a couple of good ideas. So yeah, maybe later on I'll go take some pictures. I actually did take some pictures, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll be posting them there at Alex Rowe Media. Shout out to my boy Harry for putting me on to Russ. I really appreciate that. He knows exactly what he's doing, and I'm gonna be taking it to him from now on whenever he has time. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate the fact that you guys watch my videos. And if you're new to the channel, if you just happen to stop by, don't forget to subscribe. I try to post as many videos as I can during the week, even though it's not a lot, but I try my best to post whenever I have the time. So yeah, subscribe, and also push that notification bell so you guys don't miss any videos I ever post. If you guys have any questions, if you guys have anything at all, leave them down in the comment section down below. I will most definitely respond. Once again, shout out to you, Russ, shout out to Harry, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.